Hey guys, if you're looking to start a business online, working from home, and ditching your 9 to 5, I have an incredible offer for you. I've been doing affiliate marketing for many, many, many years, and I've been working with these two incredible experts. I want to read this post to you guys, okay? It's on my screen. I don't have my glasses on, but I'm going to do my best. I enlarged the text, so here we go. Chaos creates opportunities. We're living through one of the most unpredictable times in history, but also one of the most exciting, because in the middle of chaos, massive opportunities are waiting for those who know where to look. You're at the right place. With AI breakthroughs, shifting economies, global uncertainties, and unstoppable rise of the digital economy, the old rules of success have been rewritten faster than ever before. While many are afraid of those changes, the truth is there's a moment. The truth is this is a moment, or this moment is perfect for you to step up, stand out, and thrive like never before. That's why I'm inviting you to something truly powerful, a free 3-day virtual live event called Thrive in 2025, hosted by Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi, together with an incredible lineup of guests, experts, and speakers that reveal exactly what's working right now in the expert and online business world. Why is this opportunity so special? Because they've done all the research, cracked the code, and built the blueprint, and now they're sharing it with you completely free. If you're ready to create the life, business, impact, and income you've always dreamed of, this is for you. Or this is your chance. Plus, you get to learn directly from the best entrepreneurs in the industry. Everybody knows Dean Graziosi. He's been doing this for many decades, and everybody knows Tony Robbins. They're both the best in what they do. So it's a very good. It's not something you have to. It's already been vetted. I already know it's really, really good because I'm using it myself. What I've learned from Tony and Dean is simple. The fastest way to get from where you are to where you want to be is learning from those who've already been there and done that. So if you want to thrive in 2025 and beyond, join me. The link's going to be below. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you and help you get over the hurdles, because you might run into a question here and there. They do offer incredible support. The support that they have is the best, bar none. But if you do need my help, I'll be more than happy to help you. If you click on the link that I have below, it's my personal link. And once you get started, if you get stuck on something, please call me or text me, and I'll be more than happy. All you have to do is text the keyword below, and I will reach out to you. Have a wonderful day and best of luck. This is your chance to ditch your 9 to 5 and quit your soul-sucking, non-paying position. Because we've all been there. We all want to escape the cubes and an office environment and the Uber, the Lyft, and all these stuff that's not fulfilling. You feel like you're just chasing that paycheck. You're trading your time for money, and we only have 24 hours a day, so you can only do so much in 24 hours. Anyway, I don't want to make this too long. I honestly want to tell you guys to try this. It's really, there's no obligation. You can try it out for 30 days. So if in the event that you don't see that it's a good fit, you're welcome to cancel and get your money back. No question asked. Again, best of luck to you. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I'm going to leave the link below. Best of luck. I guarantee you this is going to be the best opportunity available anywhere as far as making money online. Thank you.